I would just say that if you do look at the species extinction statistics, which are something now like 2,000 times what would we expect as the background rate, if you look at the fact that over the last 50 years, some 50% of species populations have died off, if you look at climate change, if you look at the reduction in ecosystem services, some 60% of the world's what we call ecosystem services, the systems that give us our clean air, our fresh water, our soil that grow our food, that those are being used unsustainably. If you look at all of that, and then you look at the numbers of Christians and our locations, and you see the potential that if we would awaken to the biblical call, what a difference we could make in terms of bringing that reconciliation that Christ brings to his entire creation and a witness to an unbelieving and watching world, what an incredible difference that could make. As Romans says, the creation is waiting for Christians to show up, and it's time we did.